and welcome to my channel and welcome to my first fall video of the season. So today we're starting off our fall baking videos by doing pumpkins. They're perfect for fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween, the whole thing. Pumpkins are perfect. You could even make pumpkin spice cupcakes or a pumpkin flavored cupcake. I just made chocolate to kind of look like the pumpkin was like in dirt, but you can really do whatever kind you want. So we're going to do 3 different types of pumpkins. We have number 1, number 2, and number 3. They're all super cute. If you like a cupcake with a bit more icing, this is definitely the one for you. And if you like cupcakes with the least amount of icing, then this is the one for you. And this one's kind of an in-between one. I used Tootsie Rolls for my little pumpkin stem. There's other chocolate and candies that you could use if Tootsie Rolls are not for you, but I found that they're pretty good shape. They also are kind of moldable if you wanted to kind of even shape them into even more of a stem looking thing. I used a lot of the same supplies for all 3. For the green icing, I used a circle tip and a leaf tip. And then for each of the different cupcakes, I used a different tip with my orange buttercream. So I used the 1M for this one. This one I did the 2A. And then this one is 4B. Okay, so for all the pumpkin cupcakes, I'm going to be using orange buttercream. So I'm gonna pop this into my bag. And for the first cupcakes, I am using the Wilton 1M tip. And we are going to squeeze and kind of build it up. So it's kind of going to be like a dome shape. We are then going to use a Tootsie Roll for the top little stem of the pumpkin. I just kind of want it to, I'm just gonna like squeeze it a little bit and kind of shape it so it looks kind of realistic. Like that. Now we're gonna get some green buttercream, and I'm actually going to use 2 different tips. The leaf tip and an open circle tip. This is 352, and this one is 4. And I'm going to use one of these in my decorating bag so that I can easily switch between the tips. So we put this in like this, and then you can put your tips on like that, and then I can easily switch between these 2 on my green. For the leaf tip, you want to squeeze and pull with this part on top, so not like this, which is what you'd think you would do, but actually you're gonna do it like that. So we're gonna put it this way and go like that. And it makes a little leaf shape. Just like that. Then we're gonna switch out our tip, boom. And we're just gonna do like a little curly kind of shape. So we're gonna go kind of just like that. Then you have a cute little pumpkin. Okay, so I have my orange buttercream icing and a big open circle tip. So I'm just gonna start and go around like this. And then I'm actually just gonna use this offset spatula to smooth it out. And then I'm gonna do that again. Same thing. This has some icing on it. Smooth it out, kind of on top. And then at this point, we're just gonna do one more down the center, like that, and then smooth that one out. So it'll look like that. And then we're going to use our green icing again. Kind of the same idea as we did before. We will start with the leaf tip. On there. But this time we're gonna just do it at the top. So I'm gonna make some big leaves at the top, like that. So I'm gonna do 3 at the top, and then I'm going to switch my tip to the circle. And do a little twirly vine. Like that. So cute. These ones are perfect because they have a lot less icing than the others. So for someone who doesn't like a big heap of icing, these ones are a lot more reasonable amount of icing. Okay, don't mind my cupcake. I had something else on there and I scraped it off. So for this one, I am using the Wilton 4B tip. It's like a big open tip like that. I'm gonna start at the outside again. It just kind of helps create more of a pumpkin shape. This one's just a little easier because you don't have to smooth it out so much as the last one. Really squeeze in the center, like that. And then I'm gonna use a Tootsie Roll. This one is kind of a combination of the first 2 pumpkins. So I'm gonna use a Tootsie Roll again. Kind of shape it. And I'm going to press it into the top. Like that. And then of course, going to use my green leaf and circle tips. And do a big leaf on this side, big leaf on this side. And a twirly vine. Like that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pumpkin cupcake tutorial. Fall is kind of my favorite season. I love the colors, the smells, everything about fall is just my favorite. So I'm very excited to be doing some fall themed baking, and I'm excited that my first video of the year for fall was some pumpkin cupcakes, because they're perfect for just any time in fall, as well as Thanksgiving and Halloween. They kind of just work for everything. So I love me some pumpkins. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to be able to check out all of the rest of the fall baking videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.